Hi, friend, my name is Luke and today we talk about best portable air conditioners in 2018. If you like my videos, so please subscribe my channel for more tech videos. Best portable air conditioners in 2018. Choosing the right air conditioner can be tricky when you don't know exactly what you're looking for. We've narrowed down our top picks to make it that much easier to select the best model for your needs. 1. Black & Decker 14,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner Unit with Remote and LED Display. When you're shopping for a portable air conditioner, looking for something that cools you down, and does it quickly. Keep an eye out for the energy output. The higher the output, the faster the cooling system. Our top pick for best cooling strength and capacity is the Black & Decker 14,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. With one of the highest energy output numbers on the market, this model cools in a hurry. It functions best in rooms between 300 and 350 square feet, or smaller. At almost 84 pounds, it's slightly heavier than many models, but it sets up easily. This unit comes with a window slider kit positioning the exhaust hose outside. This minimizes the ventilated hot air inside. This model comes with an LED screen, remote control, and automatic operation. This means that if the power goes out, this unit will come back on automatically. 2. Winter ARC12S 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner, Dehumidifier, Fan with Activated Carbon Filter. Electricity costs prevent many from purchasing an air conditioner. Our pick for the most energy-efficient portable air conditioner is the Winter ARC12S 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner, Dehumidifier, Fan with Activated Carbon Filter. With an estimated yearly energy use of 2,934 kilowatts per hour, this model has everything you're after without racking up your electricity bill. It features a dehumidifying function, a fan, and a digital thermostat. With multiple speed and temperature settings, you can adjust the unit's performance. This winter model comes in at a mid-range cost. 3. Haier Portable Electronic Air Conditioner with Remote 12,000 BTU, HPC12XCR. The average decibel level of a portable air conditioner varies between approximately 55 and 70 decibels, which is about the equivalent of background music or restaurant conversation. Our top pick for best noise control is the Haier Portable Electronic Air Conditioner with Remote 12,000 BTU, HPC12XCR. This model features a modern design and produces a maximum of 50 decibels. But with its 12,000 BTU cooling power, this unit is more than capable of keeping things cold. Weighing in at just 56 pounds, it's much lighter than most alternatives. It's not necessarily a budget air conditioner, but staying cool and quiet at bedtime is priceless. 4. LG 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner with Remote Control, Window Kit, 115V. Portable air conditioners vary in price, but you're looking at approximately $250 to $300 for low-end models, $300 to $800 for mid-range models and $800 or more for high-end models. Our top pick for best cost efficiency is the LG 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. While more basic in design, this model features plenty of cooling power and adjustable vents for multi-directional airflow. This LG model is on the lower end of the price spectrum, but with an LED control panel and remote control, it doesn't feel cheap. It's a good starting point for families that aren't ready to commit to a higher-end model. Save even more by choosing a refurbished model. Walmart offers these for less than $200. 5. Evapoler. Having the right portable air conditioner for your workspace is vital, especially if it's a cubicle or open desk and you don't want to intrude on your colleagues' personal space. Our top pick is the Evapoler, an eco-friendly personal air conditioner that keeps you cool without the bulk of a traditional unit. Simply fill the removable water tank and the Evapoler will evaporate the water and spread cooled air around your station via a built-in fan. You can plug the Evapoler unit in via a USB cord. It requires significantly less power than conventional models. The device, originally made as a crowdfunding initiative, has 3 colors to choose from.